Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Allah increase your knowledge. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Okay student, today we are going to start our 5th week. Now open your Urdu workbook, page number 24 and 25. Okay student, this is page number 24 and 25. Wow Verdi, wow Wazu, wow Wicket. Wow Verdi, wow Wazu, wow Wicket. Okay beta, let's start writing. Now you can see the dot. You will start over here. Make a circle down the line, make a curve. Okay, this is your wow. Page number 25. Start on the dot, make a circle down the line, slanting line and curve. Okay, wow wagon, wow wagon. Okay, trace the wow properly. Make a circle down the line, make a curve. Make a circle down the line, make a curve. Make a circle down the line and make a curve. Okay, make a circle down the line and curve. Make a circle down the line and curve. Make a circle down the line, make a curve. You write properly. Make a circle down your line, make a curve. Okay student, today your letter is wow. Today your letter is wow. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.